Is it time to buy or sell 21Vianet Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into 21Vianet Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, 24th September 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of September 2025, our system has ranked 21Vianet Group as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.45. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 13.83% since we first listed 21Vianet Group as a buy candidate 10 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.38% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper range of a very wide and robust rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders. As a pullback towards the lower portion of the trend is anticipated, a breakout above the upper trend line at $10.63 will initially signify a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 23.27% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging between negative 4.04% and positive 26.39%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 35.25%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 13.48% and positive 126.85% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price that may lie somewhere between $8.97 and $23.52. Our latest daily update for 21Vianet Group includes the headline: 21Vianet Group stock price up more than 10.91% on Wednesday. The 21Vianet Group stock price gained 10.91% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 24th of September 2025. Rising from $9.35 to $10.37. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.05% with a day low of $9.95 and a day high of $10.85. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 30.77% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 9 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 18 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $187,003,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $16.13, while the lowest price was $3.17. Currently, the price is 35.71%, or $5.76 below the 52-week high, and 76.67%. or $34.08 below the all-time high on the 10th of February 2021, when the price reached $44.45. VNET has recently achieved a significant milestone, securing a wholesale order for 40 megawatts for its new Guan IDC campus located in the Greater Beijing area. This contract enhances near-term revenue clarity and effectively utilizes capacity at a strategically positioned site, a clear advantage for this quarter's bookings and for investor sentiment. Earlier results presented a mixed picture. VNET's second quarter revenue exceeded expectations, yet it still recorded a small loss per share, highlighting that while growth is evident, profitability remains a work in progress. The market has demonstrated a propensity to reward greater visibility. A post-earnings adjustment in the price target led to a notable increase in the American depository shares recently. In the short term, the Guan deal, along with the revenue surpassing projections, is likely to bolster the stock by lessening execution risks and encouraging further analyst upgrades or a rise in valuation multiples. Looking ahead, substantial wholesale contracts, improved utilization, and rising demand for AI-ready capacity in China, underscored by competitors' strong advances in electricity computing integration, indicate a potential for sustained revenue growth and margin enhancement if VNET scales efficiently. Nevertheless, significant downside risks persist. High capital expenditures, margin pressures from competition, and potential macroeconomic or regulatory changes in China could all temper upside opportunities. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned VNET a buy rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024, Goldman Sachs also gave VNET a buy rating, accompanied by an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, HSBC reported a buy rating for VNET with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, Citigroup assigned a buy rating to VNET, initiating their coverage. Finally, on Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, Jefferies rated VNET as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of 21Vianet Group. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have also provided a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for 21Vianet Group. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The 21Vianet Group stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal resulting from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support will be found at $9.83 and $8.46. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, September 4th, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 35.73%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has been identified from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. A buy signal has been identified. Pivots. A buy signal was noted 15 days ago. Bollinger. A buy signal was observed 9 days ago. Short-term moving average. A sell signal was detected 3 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal was indicated 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. A buy signal was evident 12 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we see short moving average. A buy signal was noted 13 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal was recorded 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. A buy signal was indicated 47 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for 21Vianet Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.59 and $9.04. There's a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this could lead to a drop to the next support level. In this case, 21Vianet Group finds support just below today's level at $9.59. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $9.04 and $7.95. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 90 cents between its high and low, or 9.05%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.87%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for 21Vianet Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 19th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 3 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for 21Vianet Group. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, 21Vianet Group encounters its first support level at $9.59. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10, reflecting a decline of 3.54%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. Currently, there is a buy signal triggered by a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is 21Vianet Group stock a good buy? 21Vianet Group holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a good choice at these current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, September 25th, we expect 21Vianet Group to open higher by 2 cents and start trading at $10.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.